That would be pretty bad. Well, this is working out so far so good. Yep. Let's go. Come on. Hello. Push. Push on through. Yep. We are running. Come on, baby. Get all the way up there. Well, you know what? Let's check something real quick. Where do we have? Yeah, that's almost to that gap, so I'm fine with it. See if we can't get there. Ranko, you can go ahead and just leave, dude. You're not welcome here, man. We're using my misleading system here, Ranko, to make money. You know, here we are, right here. This is all just misleading, right here. See, fucking punk. Actually, matter of fact, I'm just gonna ban him. He doesn't need to be here. I'm just not putting up with shit like that, dude. Mm-mm. Let's run to the moon. Don't reject that. No, bad. Bad. bad, price. Push up. Push up, price. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, boo boo. Hey, baby. And we could have got in like halfway earlier than this. That just candle was an explosion, though. Like, fuck. You know? Yeah. Could have. Could have, would have. But we couldn't because, like, look how big this damn candle is. 300 ticks, dude. Shit. I mean, if we were using if you would use like a stop order or something there, but whatever, man. Just run through the TP and make us happy. Right? That's all we want. Don't come down from here. I'm waiting for this Ninja candle to see if it's going to wick as a bullish wick, and I'm going to move my stop to it. And this is just going to be about 360-ish right here under this 1 minute candle here or 2 minute candle here. This low is where it'll be ish. Oh yeah, we're getting some nice momentum now. Yes, sir. Yep. Boom, 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 boom. We could, you know what we could is we could check out the Ninja Trader here. Where are you, Ninja Trader? Yeah, let's see if that actually works. Nope, that's not it. Screw it, whatever. I'll just do a screenshot. This is what Ninja Trader's looking like. See? Boom, 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 boom. But, okay. Looks like we're running straight to the TP here. That is awesome. I love it. I love it more than I love it. I love it all the time. Love it all the time. probably more than likely going to get some squigglies in here. We do have some open value. Really want to see how it acts when it gets to this end cap. We might even get a pullback here. I mean, we are up 200 ticks right here. I might not let the pullback happen. We're going to get a pullback. So, oh, it's happening too fast for me to react. Okay, so stop is going to 383.75 for now. And I will let it stop and then I will get in on a pullback. It's going to pull back. If it doesn't, then we're good, but I'm pretty sure we're getting a pullback here. I'm just looking at the DOM. Yeah, we've got a metric fuck ton of contracts sitting here. But we're still getting aggressive buyers into passive sellers. So it might just spring up, but I doubt it. Like, we're going to get something. We can't just run. Let's see what this one wrote. Fucking 170 points without some kind of correction, right? So, but I could be wrong. It might just scream right back up again, but I'm going to protect the profits I got in right here so far. And if we get stopped, to get stopped. There it is right there. And then let's see what happens here. See if we can't get an entry on the pullback. That's interesting. Let's mark that out. And ATR is reduced. Well, no, we're on 2 minutes. Let's check out what the 1 minute ATR. Yeah, it dropped 22.46. So that's better. At least we want such a whip going on. All right, let's see if this is going to hold here. So the RR is still worth it if we get a pullback because we're trying to run. There's 100 points, right? So, well, really, if we get in down here somewhere, so here that's still 100 points, almost 100. I'm up 422 in one group. I'm up 264 in another, and up 179 on another group. Not bad. Not bad at all. Don't message me. We'll switch to, hold on a second. Do the Rinkos on NinjaTrader here. Here's our pullback. We're into the zone here. Now let's see if we get a flip. If we get a flip, I'm probably going to re-enter. We're actually tapping into a 5-minute end cap as well. Wow, we barely hit it. We didn't hit it. It's right there though. Pretty close. Just waiting to see if we're going to get a rejection of this zone or not. If it does, then I'm probably going to go long again and try to really get up to institutional level at 500 mark. But this is a 4-hour end cap here. This is going to be pretty strong up here at the top. If we're going to continue bearish, then we did wick. What was that? London's high? Or is that Asia's? What was it? 12 to London's. And we're back under the time-based trend for Asia. So, or wait, what is that? 6 p.m. Yeah, Asia. That could dump from here. Good. We'll find out. Kind of trading a little blind here because I don't have my decision levels. Can't do them when there's not full day's data. Market closed yesterday early. And we're dumping through the zone. So we're right back into the range that opened. So that was it was a good call to trail that stop, apparently. Looking at Bookmap here. I mean, we don't have much down there, man. Okay, well. If we actually leave this and start coming back down, I'm going to call it until the 2 p.m. scalp because that is against the setup, man. And I'm already green on everything I have, so I'm not gonna even hit for them just to chop around inside this range again. So I'll wait for the next 4-hour candle. But let's see. It isn't down there yet. And there's not very many orders sitting underneath us, so That may cause it to just slingshot down too. And we're getting large orders right here. Look at green dot just showed up. Let me turn on let me swap it over to put on follow candles here. So we got some large orders popping up in there. Confirming by Bookmap. That's true. 5-minute candle is getting shoved right back. Let's find out. We're gonna find out. You have equal lows and this 1-minute gap imbalance here that it just respected, or just created the equal low, but it respected the imbalance. Let's see if this holds. Perfect world, we want to see something like break and do this right here, and then we target the next level. But I want to see the Ninja Rankos on NinjaTrader confirm that the rejection's done. Or this just could be a pullback for the drop, which it could do, because I was pretty bearish at the open, thinking that we were gonna come down. But if you think about it, we didn't get a sweep of liquidity on this dump, or this shove up here right here. This didn't sweep anything. It swept all this in this junk, but it didn't come and actually take anything. But it just did now on this run here. This run here did. So we could just keep crashing down if we're fading it. And we need to be careful right here. Yeah, see, look, we're not completing this. Back up out of the zone. And there's a lot of trading going on because I've got the dots set to extremes only. So it's taking the standard deviation of the previous candles and showing the large orders. And there's like, it's just crazy. Everywhere. There's a lot of contracts being thrown in. Okay, so that was a break. We retested the high there. And I'm just, I really want to short this right now. I do. Really bad. But that is risking profits at the moment. I've already made my money. I don't need to do it, so I'm not going to. I'm going to wait till 2 o'clock and take the 2 p.m. scalp, because that is a high probability trade. And this right here is not. We are back in the range of the open, and I don't fucking like it. So I'm going to leave it alone. I'll be back at 2 p.m. See you guys later.